Welcome to our tutorial on how to fix garbled text in emails on Gmail when using it on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. If you're encountering letters from the wrong language in your emails on Gmail, you'll need to adjust a setting to resolve this issue. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your PC, such as Internet Explorer or Firefox. Navigate to the top of your browser window and locate the View option. Depending on your browser, you may need to select Encoding, Internet Explorer, or Text Encoding, Safari Firefox, from the drop-down menu. From the list of encoding options that appears, choose the language you want to use for displaying text in your emails. By following these steps and adjusting the encoding settings in your web browser, you can ensure that the text in your Gmail emails displays correctly without any garbled characters or language mix-ups. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with fixing garbled text in emails on Gmail. Enjoy a seamless email reading experience with properly displayed text on your PC.